Alright, tubesters and two bits. Alright, man, I finally got this doggone 70 model Cadillac DeVille all stripped down. Got it down to the bare bones here. Everything, only thing left is the two seat belts and the dash cluster. So on the dash cluster, I got to send this off to Dakota and let them make a cluster for the 70 model. So evidently they don't just offer one for the 70 model, which is crazy. But I'm gonna send it off to Dakota. It should take them a few weeks to get a new cluster made up for this one here. So like you say, man, we finally got this one stripped down, man. Got it back from the paint shop. And my guy had this one painted that Nardo gray. We had this one painted the Nardo gray with the red top. So you know the gut's gonna be all red. All red with the red stitching. It had a lot of rust, a lot of cancer in this one. So my guy Jose, man, he took some time out to cut out all of the rust and put everything back in with the metal. So it was an extensive, some extensive body work on this one. Finally got the whole trunk cleaned out. He had like three 10s or something back here, 2 Orion amps. But we're going with an all new setup, all new wiring, all new sound system. So give him something he's proud of, man. Shout out to Alabama too, man. This one here from the Bama showed us some love on this one here. Of course, you know, rim lady on the wheels and tires. They done picked out a set of forges. As you can see, he took everything apart, painted everything. So now everything will be going back on. Handles, locks, all of the trim back. Give it a nice finish, clean job. Also as well, grill, bumper. He had a new hood. So he did a pretty good job on this one here, man. This one turned out super good, super clean. We'll be going all back with all new weather stripping. All new weather stripping all the way around it. Getting it all cleaned back up. And this one here, man, we pretty much just going back OG twist on this one. Back OG clean. We adding a few little modern touches to it. Nothing too crazy, man. It's a lack. You don't have to do all that when you got a real player Cadillac in the streets. You know what I mean? So of course, you know, we're gonna go all play on the inside. Build a nice little console. Some nice little kick panels. Add a few little LEDs here and there, and not just take too much of the vintage style from this one here, man. Like I say, shout out to Bama on this one. Bama been showing me some love. So we got all of the carpet out, got the seats out, and this what we ran to. As you can see, it's always something. It's always something. Couple soft spots on the driver's side over here. Nothing extensively super crazy. The back, of course. Couple soft spots here. So I'm gonna get some metal and put some metal down and fiberglass around it, keep it clean. Cut out a lot of that old rust right there, man. We'll just cut out that rust, man, and fiberglass over it. Put some new little sheet metal down. He'll be good as new, good and solid. We'll use like some 16 gauge, something good and solid. Keep the water from coming up from the bottom. But that's light work, man. That's small shit to a giant, man. Ain't nothing like we ain't done this here before. So like you said, the only thing we got left is to get that cluster out. Get that old Premier up out of here. We'll do a double dim, a couple cup holders, switches for the LED lights, switches for the tops up and down. Like I say, everything else will be back player. We'll be putting all that stuff back on the doors, what goes on the doors. Of course, red seat belts, all of the U-jams, all of the weather stripping. We'll be going through all that. And like I say, man, the top came out awesome. Can't wait to clean that thing and get that back up. This is a lot that came out of it. This is all that came out of it here. Woo! Couple old Ryan amps. 312s. 312s. So these is all of the pieces, man. We're going to get all of this stuff polished back up. I'm going to call my detail guy to come by, polish all of the trim back up before we put it back on. So it look nice and neat. And rock it from there, man. That's some 73 Caprice bumpers. Anybody looking for some, need chrome, man, shout me out. I got a set here. If not, I'm going to make a desk out of it. So that's all of the pieces there, man. All of the chrome pieces. I'm going to wait on him to come and polish all that stuff back up. So that stuff will look back nice and neat and clean. And put this big thing on the road. We about there. Shout out to my boy Will from Bama, man. My boy Will, man. He been one consistent customer. I need 20 more like you. He definitely one that I don't mind doing work for. He do got an LS. My boy Will do got an LS. He's talking about putting in here. So after we get the interior done, man, we'll be going to that stage next of my boy around here to be doing the LS swap on this one here, Wild Hornets computer. I think he got a 6.0 4L60 transmission. Excuse me. Nothing too crazy, nothing too wild. He was looking for a cruiser, not a track car. So that's what he come up with. That's what we're gonna put in the game for him. Ooh-wee, but when it sit on them doggone sixes, boy, wait till it sit on them four. Just wait. So that's about that on that, man. Y'all lay around for it. And in the meantime, in between time, y'all hold it in the road, stay at them ditches, and I'll be back in a minute. Because we got work to do. Get these backlash flows, man. This shit don't make no sense. Well, every time you turn around.